We'll be covering a lot of topics today for the betterment of your language. We'll also go through some fundamentals just to check because you are at session number 59 now. Okay.
Yes.
So we need to make sure
Yeah.
that you are ready for all the challenges that English has for you. So let's get started. How about
Okay.
we start off with a small introduction of you?
Okay. I don't think you would remember, but we already had a session before.
Yes, yes, I
I
remember.
think I don't remember, but that was about advertisement. I remember, but because obviously that was my first session with you, and this is second one. You would not remember because you have a lot of sessions with different people, so it's fine. But anyways, yeah, I'm Arushi. I'm working with an MNC company. I'm from Nagpur, Maharashtra, and yeah,
Nice. So what do you like to do in your free time when you're free and you have time in your day?
I like to read sometimes. I like to watch movie, or sometimes I write journal as well. It's our depend on my mood.
What about, okay, this is something new that I'm hearing about journaling, right? How did
Yeah.
you come across it and how has it helped you?
Okay, so I think it's like if you have something in mind and you really want to express it, else
Mhm.
like if I have so many things in my mind, tomorrow maybe I will not remember all those things,
True.
or I if I want to frame those things in a beautiful way. So I think writing is the best way, and if you really want to write, I think I really like to I really want to look it beautiful. If sometimes I go through my diary, so I feel
True.
wow, I made this. So I use some stickers as well to look it beautiful. So yeah, this is like a hobby, or I like things to do decoration and all.
Nice. That's a really nice thought. So that you can remember things and they bring an impact to you, and that's very nice. What about okay, now moving on to English itself, right? How have you been practicing English lately? And what kind of problems have you been facing?
Okay, so I think all kind of problems I'm facing, like sentence structure, grammar, fluency, vocabulary. Especially, I like to use new vocabs, but sometimes I don't get the proper word to express my things, and that's why I read, or I like to read. Yeah, it's obvious that whenever I read, I get to know a lot of words, but I cannot remember all the words. So when I get the word 3 to 4 times, I try to find out the meaning, and I try to use that word in my speaking. So yeah.
Nice. That's nice. So you try to find out the words and you try to put them in your speech. That's great. But like you said, you kind of face some problems when you have to promptly use them in life, right? Great. We'll work on that. That's a very easy fix. Did we talk about the golden rule of spoken English?
No, not yet. I
Okay.
just know the golden rules of accounting.
Oh, okay.
First
Okay.
time I get to know. Yeah.
These are completely different. I can assure you that.
Yeah.
And next up, we also have some speeches today. Okay, so let's get started right.
Yeah.
While speaking English or any language in general, what happens, any language that is new to you, okay? If I ask you to speak, say, Hindi or something like that, you'll be very fluent in it, right?
Yeah.
But if I ask you to speak something that you are learning, it can bring some problems. First of all, you may feel nervous. And while you
Yeah.
are framing your own sentence, you may feel, okay, this is not good enough. What do I say? How do I put it here? And then while speaking, you might fumble. That will bring down your confidence as well. So the golden rule cuts out all of these issues in one single step. First off, whenever somebody asks you anything, what you need to do is take a deep breath and exhale. Right now, don't even think about the answer. You don't need to know the details of the answer you are going to give right now. Just stay calm, think, take a deep breath, and just stay calm. Now, when you exhale, that is the point where you are ready because now you have that control over your nerves. You are no more nervous or underconfident or anything like that. Now you are ready. So then you try and think about your answer. Make mental points of what you are going to speak. That okay, first I'll speak this, then I'll speak this, then this, then this. So then mentally you have some structure ready that, okay, this is how I'll speak my answer.
Mm-hmm.
Only when that is done, start speaking. Now I'll show you a small example of this as well. If you ask me that, hey Kanishk, it's almost 7:40 now on a Monday. So what did you do today? I'll say, I took my deep breath, I exhaled, and now I'll start speaking. That okay, and I've made my mental points. So now I'll start speaking. That yes, well, today was a very hectic day in general because it was a Monday. The work life started. I had to go to my office, complete all the work, and then I took a small break, had some lunch there only with my friends, and then I came back home, and then I'm at Clap and Go. See,
Okay.
so
Yeah.
it was pretty simple. I had my structure ready. Now you may not be as fast, but see, I've been practicing this for years now, right? So this is what you need to do as well. So now it's your turn. So Arushi, how is your day going? And what do you have planned for the coming week?
Okay. All right. So I woke up early in the morning because I wanted to start some exercise from today, as we are planning to go on trek in coming weekend, on coming weekend. That's why. So I woke up early. I went for walk, and then I came back. I had my breakfast. I started working. Then I had uh, taken a break for some time. Then, of course, read something, and now, yeah, I'm attending my sessions now.
Mm-hmm. And what about the coming week?
Yeah, that's what I told you.
Only
Like,
okay, trekking. Okay. I thought you had some short-term plans as well, but no, never mind. Very nicely, explained. Very nicely structured as well. Good work. Okay. So see, this is what you have to do from now on. Just take a deep breath, calm yourself down. You will not fumble this way. You will not think, okay, what should I speak? Where should I put my words? Because you have thought of what you want to speak, and words related to that will come to your brain. It takes practice, but you'll get there. Okay. And
yeah, right.
cool. And after that, now it is time that we talk about the topic of the day, which is globalization. Okay. So
Globalization.
yes. Or which one were you given?
What if you stranded up on sea for a day or something?
Okay. No problem. Then we can go on with that topic. I'm familiar with that as well. No worries at all. So, okay, right off the bat, the first question for you. If you were stranded on a deserted island, okay, you don't
Okay.
know where to get your food from, you don't know which type of water you can drink, obviously not the sea water, you need some drinkable water. And in all these cases, what will you do to survive?
Okay, so first of all, I'll start screaming, I'll freak out because that is the like sudden thing for me, and I would not know what to do as I would not prepare for that. So of course, like I would panic for some time. I would ask for help if someone rescue me from there. If not, then I'll try to find out someone here and there. But if not, then of course I'll try to calm myself. Then I'll try to find out or figure out like what will make me feel better or feel relaxed. And yeah, I mean, for water and all, I think I would not get the uh, drinkable water there.
Mm-hmm.
So I would try to like I cannot do anything because there is no drinkable water. So I think I would have dehydration and all due to that sea water. But of course, like I would like to save my energy as much as I can until someone would come to rescue me. I would try to save my energy because I have already wasted my energy with screaming and all in the beginning. So I would just stay calm now, and I would just hope that if if there would be raining or something, because that is the only way I can get fresh water. I can open my mouth and have that water, and I can get rid of dehydration. I can stay there for some more time.
Yes,
Yeah.
very. I must say that a very realistic answer has been given by you, because if it were to happen to any person, they will freak out. I would also freak out. This is something that will happen to everybody, be if they were in this situation. And talking
Yeah.
of fighting dehydration, yes, opening your mouth and looking at the sky will help it if it is raining.
Yes.
But
Yeah.
one more thing that can help you in this case is coconut water, because every island in the world will have palm trees, and every palm tree has coconuts,
Okay,
right?
but then also I think I am not able to like find the coconut water there. Am I?
If you may, okay, you may have to, try to climb up some sort of tree to get there.
Oh
That
my
can be
God, like
difficult.
climbing and getting coconut from a tree is I think more difficult. I mean, I cannot do that. I can just okay, I would try. Like I can try at least.
Definitely,
Anyways, I
because in
don't have
such,
any other option. Yeah.
very right, because in these life or death situations, we have to try everything, right? Have you seen any sort of movies in which they have, had a scenario in which somebody got stranded on the island?
Mm, no, I haven't. I think
Right,
I no.
right. Because many movies have covered this scenario in which you may have gotten stranded on an island or something like that. But really nice. Even though your answer was very nice, everything was structured, nice words were used, and you did not fumble anywhere. Okay, that's amazing. Now, keeping the same momentum up, let us move on to the next part of today's session, which is vocabulary. Okay,
Okay.
so the way we do
Yeah.
this is I will pick words from the session material only, or I may make them myself. Okay, any sort of words can be in your vocabulary now. What you have to do is, if you know the word, that's okay. All you have to do is tell me whatever meaning you know. Make pronounce it properly and make a good sentence out of it.
Okay.
Okay, so, and if you don't know the word's meaning, then also it's fine. Try to understand what may the word mean. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
so
Yeah.
through all of that, now let's get started. The first, I'll put the okay, yes, one, the most important part about this exercise is that I'll not speak the word. They will be in the chat,
Okay.
so you need
Yeah.
to read them from there. Okay, now
Yeah.
let me
Okay.
open the chat.
Okay.
Here
You
it
want to
is.
test my pronunciation as well?
Everything, this is an all-in-one exercise.
Yeah.
Here you go. Do you see the word?
Merchandise.
Yes, good pronunciation. What is the meaning of merchandise?
Mm, okay. I think I have heard this word, but I don't know the exact meaning of it. I think it is something related to the market or what?
Yes,
No,
very,
I'm not
very
sure.
close. Very, very close to the right answer still. Merchandise is actually something that is, say, sold by a company for that company's followers, that company's workers, or something like that. Okay, it can be goods, it can be anything. Okay, so it, for example, many YouTubers these days, they have their own merchandise. Okay, so goods and commodities sold in a business. This is their business only. YouTube is their business. So they will sell it in lieu of their business. Now, many other companies, for example, these clothing brands, they have their
Mhm.
merchandise as well, which is their t-shirts, their shoes, whatever.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So
So
in short,
that is what, yes,
the product for sale or something.
exactly. Anything that is available for selling is a merchandise, because somebody is
Okay.
selling it. It belongs to them and
Yeah.
it's a part of their business. Okay.
Okay.
So now that I've explained the word in detail, how about you try making a sentence with it?
Mm, merchandise. Okay. Mm-mm-mm. Nowadays, people are mm, selling. Mm, 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 mm. Okay. Nowadays, people are using social media to merchandise their products or something.
To sell
Product
their merchandise.
to sell their merchandise. Okay, so product is merchandise only, so I cannot use
Yes,
product. Okay.
yes, yes,
Nowadays,
yes.
people are
Mhm.
using social media, okay, to sell their merchandise.
Absolutely. Being from your commerce and accounting background, I knew that using merchandise, products, and all of these words will help you understand the meaning better. Amazing. Okay. Now, all of this said, let's move on to the next word. The next word for you is wait, let me find a better one. Yes. Here we go. This will be easy. There you go. The next word is in the chat.
Outsource.
Mm-hmm. Good pronunciation.
Outsource. Yeah, outsource is something that you're gaining from business or from any sort of input. Whatever you're getting is your outsource.
Hmm. Whatever. Won't that be something like a profit?
Yes, profit revenue.
Yes, but that is not outsource. Let me help you here. Outsource
Okay.
is, for example, you want somebody to make for you. You have your own company, okay, but you have a lot of clients, and you need to ask your clients how is their how are about their experience on a daily basis. Now,
Mm-hmm.
obviously, you cannot sit and keep calling them all day, right? So what you do is you can outsource this work to somebody else. When we give our job to somebody else in exchange for money or something so that they can do it, we call it outsourcing. It is mostly done, for example, BPOs are basically outsourced. Many a times they are outsourced. People working in America, they will, BPOs will have, companies working in America will have BPOs set up in India.
Yeah.
Okay, you
Yes.
must have heard about this as well. That is
Yes.
called outsourcing, giving your responsibility, your job to a foreign company so that they can handle it and you can focus on better things.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So now this is a bit complex. Even I took a little while to understand it, but no worries. Now you try making a sentence with it.
Okay. Big companies like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, they are using people to outsource uh, their product with the help of affiliate marketing or something.
Okay, yes, this is a good part. You can simply say they have big companies like Amazon, Microsoft, whatever. They have
Outsource.
outsourced their advertising to influencers using affiliate marketing so that they don't
Okay.
have to
They
spend money
have
on advertising.
outsourced their advertisement.
Yes, to influencers via affiliate marketing. What, because
Okay.
what do
Yeah.
influencers do? They will wear their t-shirts and all and say, hey,
Yeah.
please
Yeah.
buy
Yeah.
this. That is
Yeah.
advertisement only. Okay. So that
Yes.
is what they do. Good. This was a good sentence. Nicely done. And with this, we come to the end of this exercise. So you see, this is what you have to do each time you come across a difficult word. First, find the meaning.
Yes.
Second, search on the internet how to make sentences with this word. And lastly, make one or two of sentences on your own.
Okay. Yeah.
Because you
That I
see,
would
these
remember.
sessions, definitely that you would remember because these sessions, they're only for 30 minutes or 15 minutes of your day. What you do in the rest of your day also matters to your English development, right? Amazing. Do you have any questions so far?
Uh, Not really. I don't have any question. No, not really.
Okay, awesome. For the last part of today's session, I'll give you a topic and you need to
Hmm.
deliver a speech on it. Okay. And
Okay.
then we will see, this is like a test to see if you can use the new words, if you remember any, if you fumble or not, if you stay confident throughout or not. Okay. So the topic for you is going to be my dream job.
Okay. My dream job.
Yes.
Mm, okay. Mm, my dream job. Okay, since I'm already working in a company, I I cannot actually imagine dream job, but still, as it is a topic, I'll speak about it. My dream job is if I would get a chance to work out of India or in a place which is close to nature, at a place which is close to nature. That would be my dream job, sorry. I would just relax and work. I don't want a job which is like time to time, like 5 to 6. I don't want that kind of job. though I want to work in a very good company, but I don't want to work as per their official timings. That would be my dream job. If I want to work from home, I could work from home. If I want to work from office, I could go into office and work from there. I don't need if I would not need to ask for vacation or something. That would be my dream job. So yeah, it includes all the things that is convenient for me, and I would do as wish and desire. That would be a dream job for me. I don't want any designation or anything. It's just that I want to like enjoy and relax. I want to
Nice.
work as well. It's not like I just want to relax, but as per my convenience.
Yes. So you basically want to be the in charge of your own thing, working outside of India without any pressures from a boss or something like that. Very nice.
Okay.
Yeah, I would say that this is
Actually,
some sort of my dream as well.
yeah.
Yes. Please continue.
Not actually outside India. It is not like, it is just I want a peaceful place which is near to nature, so that I can enjoy my working as well, and I can I can get the environment. I
Very.
need.
That is. Oh wait, I think my phone got stuck.
Okay.
Can you see me properly?
Yes, I can.
Awesome. Yes, there we go. So as I was saying, very nicely done. I think your answer had no fumbles, no flaws. Everything was perfect. And now with all of this said, we have come to the end of this session. Some important feedback for you will be keep the golden rule in mind. This question was this session was very fast paced. So if you want to revise it, that is actually recommended. Okay. Keep everything in mind, practice your vocabulary, and otherwise you are doing very nice. I am just polishing, I'm literally nitpicking mistakes here because I want you to be 100% ready. But you are anyway a very nice speaker. Please keep the same spirits up and keep working hard. Okay?
Yeah, of course.
Awesome.
I will do that. Yes. It's really nice talking to you.
Same here. Really nice talking to you. All the best and stay safe. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.